Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to present third episode of Best Out of West. We all know that the skin of most of the vegetables contain high food value. But the irony is we generally throw it away before cooking. However, it is really possible to make not only innovative but also healthy and delicious recipes from the skin that would otherwise be thrown away. One of such recipe is Lauer Khoshar Chechki, that is bottle gourd rind fry. Let's get started. Take a medium size bottle gourd. Peel off the skin slightly thick. Then finely slice it. Take a cup of water in a pressure cooker. Add the sliced bottle gourd skin to it and pressure cook on a high flame until a whistle comes. Then make the flame low and cook for 10 more minutes. Now keep aside the pressure cooker until the pressure becomes normal. Strain it. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a hot karai and make the flame medium. Add half teaspoon of nagila seeds, that is black cumin seeds, and 2 slightly slit green chilies. When nice aroma comes out, add the boiled bottle gourd into it. Stir it for 1 minute more and add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Stir fry it for 2 minutes. Cover it with a lid and make the flame low. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Mind to stir it time to time so that it does not stick to the bottom of the karai. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button below and keep watching more amazing recipes in the future. Now add half cup of grated coconut, one teaspoon of sugar and again stir it. Then cover it with a lid and cook for 1 minute on low flame. And cover it with a lid and switch off the flame. Give a standing time of 10 minutes. Now it is ready to serve it with a hot steamed rice. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Write your comments in the comment box. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.